Hi, my name is Patrick, and I wanted to share two passions I've learned through this exercise with you and tell you a little bit about the business idea that I'm coming up with. So, when I did this exercise and I spoke to people that I know, I was like, what are the passions you see? And these things resonated with people, and they were also validation as well. So, two passions are cybersecurity and blockchain. So for the last few years, I've been working in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, sort of protecting software systems, making sure they don't get exploited. But also a passion of mine is blockchain, the whole distributed ledger technology, the smart contracts, the decentralized applications. All that is a passion of mine also. So I'm going to take these two passions, cybersecurity, blockchain, and I'm going to build a business around that. So it may go from sort of individuals helping people to secure their digital assets, how to use them safely. Might be small businesses, startups, enterprises working in the blockchain space that need subject matter expertise from someone who can hack systems so that they can be advised and consulted how to build better secure systems and don't risk their customers' digital assets. But then it might be things like offering services like penetration testing for companies in that space, or consulting, or maybe some digital products around how to do things in a safe and secure way. So that's kind of the area I'm going for. The other thing is incident responses. So, what happens if you're a cryptocurrency exchange or you're a blockchain type business and you're under attack? How do you handle the incident? How do you ensure that the systems don't get further compromised? And how do you contain that breach? And how do you deal with it? So, that's the kind of area I want to focus in. And it's cybersecurity, cutting edge, frontline. So, I love your feedback. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.